Hi everyone, welcome to Google IT Support Certification course. In this session we will going to learn troubleshooting. You have learned computer hardware, operating system and software layers in computer architecture model. And today you will going to learn one of the important layer of computer architecture is troubleshooting. As a IT support specialist, one of the important role and responsibility is to fixing the issues. For example, when a user suffering from any application or any software issue, as a IT support specialist, you need to fix the issue. If users are suffering with the applications or softwares while opening, or whether the applications or softwares are crashed, as a IT support engineer, you need to fix the issue. Identifying root cause of the problem and fixing the issue is one of the important role. In order to fix or sort the issues from softwares or applications or any computers or servers, as a IT support specialist, you need to sort out the problem. In troubleshooting, what is the general meaning of troubleshooting? Troubleshooting is nothing but ability to diagnose and fixing the issues is called as a troubleshooting. As per today's session, we will going to learn how to troubleshoot the issues from computers or softwares or applications. Let's see today's session. On the screen you can able to see the troubleshooting. Have a look on screen. Today's session is troubleshooting. How to troubleshoot an issue? There are different sequential steps to fix an issue. Build positive interaction with the user. One of the important and vital role of IT support engineer is to identifying the root cause of the problem and sort out the issue, and moreover we have to build the positive interaction with users. Most of the companies will be going to uses IT engineer to provide effective and efficient services to their customers or else users. In this case, IT engineer will be going to directly support and interact with users. He will going to play the vital role to build the positive interaction with the company and user by fixing issues. Whenever user has contacted the company with the chat or email or phone, as a IT support engineer, we need to provide effective and efficient resolutions to the users. There are different sequential steps to fix an issue. Build positive interaction with users. What are those steps? Before going to discuss about different troubleshooting steps to fix or sort out the issue and build positive interaction with users, we have to talk about little bit more troubleshooting. General meaning of troubleshooting is ability to diagnose and fixing the issues from computers or softwares and servers. As a IT support engineer, we have to sort out the issue. That is nothing but isolating the issues. For example, if you are feeling sick, definitely you will going to contact the doctor. Without asking questions, without probing you to gather information, definitely he never going to give a prescription with the suggested medicines to the patients. First he will going to probe patient to get more information regarding his issues, his disease. Later, doctor will be going to sort out the root cause of the problem, and finally will going to prepare the prescription with with good medicines. This is the way to troubleshooting. As a IT support engineer and doctor, they both will be going to play the same role in order to fix issues by finding causes. Root cause will be going to provide different issues. If we try to find root cause, definitely we can able to sort out the many issues from softwares or applications or computers. So that reason, in this session we have to understand different steps to perform troubleshooting. First step to start troubleshooting to fix an issue. As a IT support specialist, we have to ask the question. Whenever user has came with problem in his laptop, for example, user is A, IT support engineer or IT support specialist is B. As per my perception, I would like to give different examples to understand how to probe the users, how to sort or filter the issue to find out the root cause of the problem. In this case, first step to start the troubleshooting step to fix the issues is asking questions. Whenever A has came to contact particular IT support engineer to fix the issue from laptop, that for example issue is my computer is broken. If user has saying some words regarding his computer problem, the problem is computer has broken. In this case, IT support engineer is a B. B will be going to respond in a proper manner. There are two different scenarios to find out the root cause of the issue. For example, first scenario is not so good scenario. Just go through with not so good scenario. For example, one user has came with problem in his laptop. The problem from laptop of particular user is laptop has broken. In the not so good scenario, definitely has a IT support specialist. I am going to say something to the user. Oh, I am sorry to hear that your laptop has broken. You need to purchase new laptop by spending around $1,000. Is this correct answer to the user? Definitely user or customer will be going to dissatisfied with our services. One of the main role and responsibility of IT support specialist is to building positive interaction with users. The same way he has to provide the effective troubleshooting steps to fix the issue or sort out the issue. Earlier we discussed the first scenario, that scenario is not so good scenario. Just take one more scenario to sort out the issue. Same question, the user has came with my computer is broken. That is nothing but user has facing something problem from his computer. Whenever he try to restart the computer is getting block screen error. In this case, as a IT support specialist, we need to respond in a proper way, and moreover we have to sort out the problems. For example, user has came with my computer has broken. In this case, as a IT support specialist, first we need to get more information regarding issue. We need to ask the question, first step to start the troubleshooting step to fix the issue. In second scenario, that's so good scenario, as a IT support engineer, I need to pose a question to the user. That question is nothing but, oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I understand your problem, your computer has broken. Since how long you are facing this issue? She or he, the user will be going to say, from last night. Definitely, okay. The she or he is facing the problem from computer. The computer is unable to start normally. It is showing black screen error. So that reason, as per user perception, computer has broken. As a IT support specialist, I need to get some more information regarding that issue. In this case, I need to ask and gather some more information regarding issue. What you have done, then immediately I am going to ask or pose one more question to the user. To fix the issue, have you tried any troubleshooting step? Definitely the user is not a technical savvy. They will going to say, just I try to hit the power button and it is not showing any information. Moreover, computer OS has not booted and it is not showing anything on the screen. In this case, as a IT support specialist, definitely I am going to start the computer. After starting the computer, I am going to perform some troubleshooting steps. By posing questions as a IT support specialist, you will going to get some more information regarding the issue. You got some information from user. She or he attempt to restart the computer. She hears one beep sound that computer has restarted, but computer has not showing anything. Finally, it is showing black screen error. In this case, as a IT support engineer, I need to perform troubleshooting step. That is nothing but definitely I am going to check. First troubleshooting step is to brightness, increasing the brightness of screen. If I try to increase the brightness of screen, definitely I am going to see the display on computer. This is the one of the effective way to fix the issues from computer or software or servers. As a IT support specialist, one of the important and vital role to fixing the issue in an effective manner. And what you understood, I hope you understood, first step to start the troubleshooting step is to asking a question to the user or customer in order to fix or sort out the issues. On the screen, you can able to identify one more effective method to fix the issues by performing troubleshooting steps. As a IT support specialist, in order to fix the issues from computer or softwares or else servers, whether it is software or hardware related issues, we need to follow the one more effective method to perform troubleshooting. That method is isolating the problem. What is this isolating the problem? Isolating the problem is nothing but probing the user, probing the customer to obtain or get more information regarding issue. For example, one user is asking x value is less than 100, and again she asked what is the value of x. User try to find the information about x. As per screen example, on the screen here you can able to see x value is less than 100, and the user or customer need information about x value, exact what is the value of x. In this case, as a IT support engineer, definitely I am going to pose some questions and I will try to gather or find out some more information regarding issue. For example, as a IT support specialist, in order to pose questions to gather some more information, that is nothing but isolating the problem. In order to isolate the problem, definitely I am going to pose some questions. Some questions nothing but is this x value is 28? Definitely she will going to say no. Is this x value is 32? No, definitely no. For example, if I try to ask one more question, that is x value is 52, definitely she will going to say no. I think x value is 68, definitely she will going to say no. And last question I am going to pose as a IT support specialist to the user, that is fifth question. The question is this x value is 78? Definitely she will going to say no. Finally, by posing 5 questions to the user, I am unable to sort out and fix the issue. This type of method to fixing the issues by performing troubleshooting steps will be going to discourage the customer. In this case, as a IT support specialist, I need to sort out the issue. I need to half of the issue. How to isolate the issue? User problem is she or he has to find the x value, that x value is less than 100. In this case, definitely as a IT support specialist, I am going to pose one question to of the issue. That of the issue is, may I know is this x value is less than 28? Definitely she will going to say, for example, she would like to say yes, yes. Second question I am going to pose, is this x value is less than 50? Yes, she will going to say yes. And finally, third question I am going to pose, is this x value is greater than 45? Definitely if value is x value is in between 45 to 50, definitely she will going to say x value is greater than 45. The final question, the fourth question, I am going to try to sort out the issue, isolate the issue. I think x value is 48. Definitely if it is right, she will going to say yes, x value is 48. I got the answer. Definitely customers or users will be going to feel satisfied with our services. Why we are using services? One of the important role and responsibility of IT support specialist is to providing effective troubleshooting steps to fix the issues. That is nothing but we need to provide effective and efficient services to the customers or users in production environment or else in some other ways. Probably IT support specialist will be going to provide troubleshooting steps in 2 different ways, face-to-face scenarios and through remotely they will going to fix the issues. Whenever IT support specialists attempt to fix the issue from user laptop or computer or some other things by taking remote desktop connection, directly we can able to, there is a less scope, there is a more scope, or else this is an effective way to sort out the issue. Another way to face, when user try to contact a particular organization, IT support specialist to sort out the issue through email or chat or phone call, we have to handle the users in an effective manner by posing questions. Another way is isolating the problem. How to troubleshoot an issue? This is today's session. In this session, we discussed first 2 ways to provide troubleshooting information to fix the issues. First way is ask a question. Second way is isolating problem. We discussed the first example, that is x value is less than 100, and what about then x value is, this is over. Another example to understand isolating the problem, access is denied while opening drive or folder. For example, one user from laptop is facing issue. That issue is when she or he attempt to open folder or drive, she or he getting one error message. That error message is access is denied. Whenever user has contacted IT support specialist with some issue, as a IT support specialist, we need to respond in a proper manner, and moreover we need to isolate the problem. The second example to understand isolation of issue is, just go through with one example, access is denied while opening drive or folder. In this case, as a IT support specialist, I am going to ask something. For example, user is A, IT support specialist is B. Definitely B will be going to ask, may I know how to help you? B is a user. He or she will be going to say, I am sorry to contact you, but I am facing some problem with the drive or folder. Whenever I try to open drive or folder, I am getting one error message. I am unable to open drive. Could you please sort out the issue? B is a IT support specialist. B will be going to probe the user to isolate the problem, or else get more information regarding issue to find out root cause of the problem. In this case, B will be going to try to gather more information. We are going to ask one question to the user. Have you done any changes on particular drive or folder earlier? Definitely user A will be going to say, I just made some modifications in permissions, resulting and later I am unable to open drive or folder. I am getting one error message. That message is access is denied. If user is unable to say exact error message, has a technical savvy, has a IT support specialist, B need to probe or isolate the problem by posing one more question to the user. That is nothing but, whenever you try to open drive or folder, are you getting any error message while trying to open drive or folder? Definitely user will be going to say the, or else provide information about exact error. Whenever user attempt to open drive or folder, she will be going to get error. Definitely she will going to provide that error information to the IT support specialist. If they got a error message, access is denied, she will going to say that I got a error message while opening drive or folder. That error message is access is denied. Has a technical savvy, by isolating the problem, one of the easiest way to find out root cause to fix the issue. Let's see the practical scenario on this laptop. Look at screen, everyone. In my computer list, I have one drive. The drive name is F drive. In this F drive, whenever I try to open, sorry, not this F drive, listen. Here on the my computer screen, you can able to see one drive. The drive is E drive. Whenever user try to open this drive, it is showing access is denied. In this case, as a IT support specialist, you need to fix the issue. The main problem is while the user is getting error message, that error message is access is denied while attempt to open drive or folder. In order to fix the issue, I need to pose a question to the user. Have you done any changes in this drive earlier? Definitely user will be going to say something. If she done any changes in this drive, definitely she will going to provide some information to us. If she is unable to say information, she is not saying, I haven't done any changes earlier in this drive, but now in the morning, today morning, whenever I try to open this drive, I am fixing issue. In order to sort out this issue, as a IT support specialist, you must have superb and good technical knowledge to sort out the issues. The main problem while opening this drive is access is denied. That is nothing but 100%, and out of 100%, 70% issue root cause from permissions. How to change the permissions? In order to sort out this issue, just go through with the active drive. This drive is working fine. The drive name is, for example, D. Open D drive. Here you can able to see one file. I can able to open properly this drive and I can able to open one file. Let us see the default permissions of this drive, this healthier drive in this computer. Go to properties of this drive, click on properties. In the properties list, you can able to see one tab called as a security. In the security list, security is nothing but default permissions to open this drive. Those permission in the permission list of this drive, how many authorized users names are inserted, added over here. Authenticated users, number 1, number 2 is system, number 3 is administrators, number 4 is users. By default, on the permission list of this healthy drive, some authorized user groups are added over here. But what about unhealthy drive? Let's look at it. Select this unhealthy drive, click on properties, try to click or select security tab. The security tab, the permission list of this drive, it is not showing by default or authorized user groups over here. Has a technical savvy, has a IT support specialist, I need to add default authorized user group names in the permission list of this drive. How to add? Click on edit, click on add. First I need to add administrators. If you are unable to write full name, administrators, what it is showing. If you are unable to write full word or else exact word by making spelling mistake, you are unable to add particular authorized user name in the permission list of these drives. I added one authorized user in the permission list of this drive. That authorized user is administrators of this computer. I added one authorized user group is added, and later I need to add one more authorized user group, that is system users. It's identified, click on check name, identified, click on OK. And I need to add one more authorized and authenticated users, that is type authenticated, click on check names, authenticated users, click on OK. I added by default 3 authorized user groups over here, and I would like to add one more user, that is nothing but only users. It will be going to take it right, Dell PC users. I added by default authorized and authenticated user groups in the permission list of this drive. Click on apply, click on OK, click on OK. Now this drive ready to use. Try to open this drive and get or retrieve your data from this drive. The earlier created drives, pre-created data is available in this drive. This is the way to sort out an issue. This is called as isolating the problem. In order to perform troubleshooting steps to fix the issue, as an IT support specialist, we need to find out the root cause, and finally we need to fix the issues. In this case, first step to start troubleshooting steps is ask a question, and next one is isolating the problem. I hope you guys are understood first to most effective 2 methods to start troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. Let's see one more effective method to sort or fix the issues by performing troubleshooting steps. Follow the cookie crumbs. One more effective method to start troubleshooting steps to fix the issues is follow the cookie crumbs. FunCat app crashed. The example is FunCat is one application. Unfortunately, this application in phone or mobile is crashed. Let's try to understand follow the cookie crumbs. What is the general meaning of this word follow the cookie crumbs? Follow the cookie crumbs is nothing but as a IT support specialist, you need to obtain information regarding issue from user from starting to till now. That is called as a follow the cookie crumbs. You need to get more and more information, gather more information regarding issue. What is the exact issue? When it has started, have you made any changes to cause or affect this problem? We need to get this type of information from user. This is called as a follow the cookie crumbs. And this to understand third effective method to start troubleshooting steps to fix the issue is follow the cookie crumbs. To understand the step this method, we have to go through with one example. One username is A. A has came and she gave a mobile. She's actually suffering problem with one application. She installed one app. That app name is FunCat. At the initial days that app is worked fine, but now suddenly what happened? The last night she is facing issue with that particular app in her phone. In this case, user will be going to contact IT support specialist. If she would like to say something information about a particular issue on application, definitely she will going to give a phone. Whenever I try to open this app, it is showing it is crashed, it is not responding, it's not properly opening. This information will be this type of information will be provided by user to the IT support engineers. In this case, IT support engineers, we have to respond in a proper manner. Good morning, for example, good morning user, how can I help you? User will be going to say, I'm facing issue from particular app which is earlier installed in my phone. What was the app name? May I know the app name? The app name is FunCat. Has it IT support specialist B will be going to pose one more question to the user A. B will be going to pose one more question. That question is nothing but, have you made any changes earlier before starting the issue? Definitely, if she made any changes on that particular app, definitely she will going to provide that information to us. Or else we need to ask one more type of question. When this issue has started from this application, user A will be going to say, just last night. In this next step, as the IT support specialist, we need to ask one more question. That question is, have you made any changes in this app earlier or as last night? Yes, if she made any changes, definitely she will going to say, I just updated my app. That app is FunCat. Oh, in this case, IT support specialists need to respond in a proper manner. Follow the cookie crumbs is nothing but posing questions, isolating the problem, and gathering information from starting to till now, till the issue which is arise today. That is called as a follow the cookie crumbs. Now, by asking question, isolating the issue, and gathering more and more information from initial days to starting day to till today, I can able to easily resolve the issue. Actual problem is user has attempted to update pre-installed app. That app name is FunCat. When she or obtain more and more information from starting to till now, in this case we can able to resolve the issues easily. I hope third effective method to start troubleshooting step to fix the issue is follow the cookie crumbs. I hope you guys are understood this follow the cookie crumbs. And fourth effective method to fixing or sort out the issues from computers or softwares or phones or some other things, as a IT support engineer, I need to start with the quickest step first. Fourth step to perform troubleshooting steps to fix the issues from user computer or softwares is start with the quickest step first. Example to understand fourth effective method to start troubleshooting step is unable to open an application or software. This is example. Let's discuss. The fourth way, one user has came and actually she is facing with one application which is installed in the computer. She's problem is whenever she try to open that application, she is unable to see that application in open mode. Whenever she attempt to open that application, it is not loading properly. Definitely in this case, users will be going to feel unhappy. In this case, as a IT support specialist, we have to provide effective and efficient services to the customers or users. Whenever user has came with the issue, as a IT support specialist, first I need to sort out the issue. I need to frame some sequential troubleshooting steps to fix the problem. In order to fix the issue, she is unable to open application. In this case, I need to ask some question and gain some information and isolating the problem. Finally, follow the cookie crumbs. After getting so much information, I need to perform troubleshooting step by start with the quickest step first. That first step is to, I need to ask one question. After installation of this application, have you restarted your computer? Definitely, if she restarted, the problem is different. If she haven't restarted the computer, that is the main issue. One of the effective way, fastest step to fix the issue, that issue from application, pre-installed application, is we need to restart the computer. By restarting computers, many application issues will be going to resolve. Moreover, when we try to install application in computer, in order to changes make effect of installation of particular application, computer need to restart. We need to keep this word in our mind to fix the issues from application. If user has installed that application earlier, if she is unable to open that application, another troubleshooting step is to restarting the computer in a normal mode. By restarting our boot up computer in a normal mode, will be going to provide effective troubleshooting. That troubleshooting step is quickest step to fix the issues from applications. This is another method to fix or sort out the issues in order to start troubleshooting steps. In this session, how many ways or effective methods to perform or start troubleshooting steps you understood. I hope you understood different methods to start troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. First method is ask a question, another method is isolating the problem, and third method is follow the cookie crumbs, and fourth way is start with quickest step first. I hope you guys are understood this first four methods to start troubleshooting steps has an IT support specialist to fix the issues by finding root causes, and remaining steps will be discussed in another session. I hope you guys are understood this topic, right? And I would like to give some other information regarding troubleshooting. For example, one user has came with one problem. As an IT support specialist, I need to fix the issue. I need to gain customer satisfaction or else user satisfaction. One of the important role of IT support specialist is to building positive interaction with the user and organization. So that reason, in order to build positive information, in order to get customer satisfaction, I need to provide effective and efficient resolution to fix the issues by having good technical knowledge as well as communication skills. One of the important fundamental tool to providing troubleshooting steps to fix the issue is to identifying the root cause with good subject knowledge. Another way is we must have good communication skills. If we have a good communication skills, we can able to effectively interact with users. Moreover, we can able to build positive interaction with user and organization. Probably users are facing any issues from computers or softwares, they will going to frustrated to find out right resolution. There are different difficult situations we need to face. As a technical savvy, we have to face difficult situations while providing troubleshooting steps to fix the issues from user computers. All issues might not have resolved by IT support specialists. Some issues will be resolved. In this session, I am providing effective methods to start troubleshooting steps to find out the root cause to fix the issues in applications or softwares or computers. Resolving issue is another thing, right? With good subject knowledge, by getting more information regarding issue from users, there are more chances to fix the issue. If it is hardware related issue we are unable to resolve through remotely, or else through chat or phone call, or else through emails also. If it is required, definitely we will going to suggest the customers or else users to contact authorized service center of particular product or else particular software. But our work is to 100% we need to provide, 100% we need to sort out the issue. Finally, at any cost we need to fix the issue if it is possible. And moreover, we need to obtain customer or user satisfaction by giving effective troubleshooting steps to the user. Okay, and I hope you guys are understood in this session. And let's take one more scenario to sort out the issue. As per today's session, we discussed only 4 effective methods to sort or provide troubleshooting steps to fix the issues, and remaining steps will be discussed in another session. And in order to understand importance of these first 4 effective methods to provide troubleshooting steps, just go through with one more example. One user has came with one problem. The problem is computer is showing black screen error. The user computer issue is it's not showing anything on the display. In this case, as a IT support specialist, we need to sort out the issue. In order to sort out the issue, in order to prove the problem, as a technical savvy, we need to pose the questions. First, we need to ask the question. We have to start our conversation with the user. Hi, my name is Ravindar Sudala. How can I help you? Definitely, user will be going to contact us with. She will going to say her name. My name is Mary. Actually, I am facing some issue with my computer. Whenever I try to hit power button, it is showing nothing. It is showing only black screen error. It is not appears anything on the computer display. The main problem on computer is user unable to say anything on the display. As a IT support specialist, I need to understand, I need to think the issue on user perspective. She attempt to hit or click power up button in his laptop. She is getting black screen error. Nothing is happening. In this case, I need to ask a question to the user to sort out the issue. The sort out the issue is, first I am going to say, can you able to hear any sound, beep sound while try to attempt to start the computer? Definitely she will going to say, if she heard, definitely she will going to say one beep sound, I got it, one beep sound. Okay, means she restarted properly. And next question is, as a IT support specialist, I am going to ask, can you able to see any light whether the light is blinking on power button of your laptop? Definitely if it is blinking, she will going to say, yeah, yes, it is blinking. And is there any physical, next question, third question to from my end to get more information regarding issue from user computer is, and is there any physical damage from your laptop? Have you did you drop your laptop from any height? Is there any physical damage? If it is happened, she will going to say, I think, I hope, but it is not happened. No, there is no physical damage. Then in this case, I am going to ask one more question. Have you tried to connect your laptop to another or external monitor to check the screen? If she tried the troubleshooting step, definitely she can able to identify. If she tried, yes, user will be going to say, yes, I tried to connect external monitor to my laptop to check whether the problem is laptop display. Yes, she said yes, and again it is showing black screen error. The problem is different. There is no physical damage from laptop screen. This is the way to sort out the issue, by posing questions, isolating the problem, and follow the cookie crumbs, and start your troubleshooting steps with the quickest and fastest troubleshooting step. Remaining steps will be discussed to fix the black screen error in coming sessions. I hope you guys are understood the session. Thank you for watching this session. Have a great day. See you.